In this video we're going to be talking about the Club Garden CG98 ST. If you're familiar with the Mountfield range of ride-on lawnmowers, this machine may look quite familiar to you, but we'll get into that later. The CG98 ST is a 98cm cutting width side discharge lawnmower. You've got two options to deal with your clippings, either side discharge, out the discharge in the side, or mulching, as there is an optional mulch plug that you can use to close off that side discharge and instead mulch your grass clippings. You've got 7 different cutting heights ranging from 25mm to 80mm, so you've got quite a wide range of cuts, from a very low formal cut to a much higher, rougher cut. And it's all powered by the STIGA ST 350 engine, so it's a 352cc engine, which is plenty of power to be doing what you're doing with this machine, which is realistically maintaining lawns rather than sort of like orchards and paddocks and big large rough areas of grass like that. This model has a manual transmission and it's got nice light touch steering. It's got a turning circle of 140 centimeters and it's got excellent traction on turf with its Wander tyres. The machine has a deck wash port as standard, so just a simple port where you can clip in a hose lock connector. As I mentioned earlier, there's an optional mulch plug and there is also an optional tow bar, so if you want to get more utility out of your lawnmower, you can add that onto the package as well. All this is backed up with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. So, as I mentioned at the top of the video, you may recognise this machine as being very similar to the Mountfield brand of ride-on lawnmowers, and that is because it essentially is. Club Garden is another brand of the manufacturer STIGA, who is the owner of Mountfield and, of course, STIGA lawnmowers. So it's using the same STIGA engine, it's using basically the same chassis as the Mountfield equivalent lawnmower, but it's been made with much more of a budget in mind. So if you don't want any superfluous features that you feel you don't actually need, like a headlight or the mulch plug or the tow bar, you can buy the Club Garden machine and not have to pay any extra for features that you feel you don't need. Because, let's be honest, when was the last time you mowed using your headlights in the dark? Also in the Club Garden range is the CG84, equivalent to the Mountfield 1330M, and the CG66H, equivalent to the Mountfield 827H. So if you like the look of the Mountfield brand of ride-on lawnmowers, but you want to save a little bit of money because there are some of those extra features that you really don't feel you need, have a look at the Club Garden range and grab yourself a bargain. We really hope you found this video helpful. If you've got any questions for us or you just want to say something, please leave a comment and please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. All the Club Garden range of lawnmowers are now available on Mower Magic in the link in the description below.